Are you tired of feeling like no one is booking you for your family sessions and you're just struggling to get your first few clients as a new photographer? This is the video for you. I am going to be telling you whether you are a brand new photographer who's struggling to get those first few clients, or if you are switching from another type of niche to the family photography niche. How can you start building the momentum and getting people to book you? Okay, so before we get into it, I actually have a completely free download for you guys that I would love to offer you completely for free. It is my family posing guide. So this is the guide that you can take with you to your family sessions once you do start booking them, and you can take this on your phone and have those fun prompts, authentic poses to pose your families and get those beautiful full galleries to your families. So go ahead and download that for free below, and we will get into how to book your first 5 photography clients as a family photographer. Okay, so number 1, you can go ahead and start with your inner circle of people. And one thing that I want to share with you is, when you are trying to get people interested in your services, there's something called the busy barometer. So basically, the busier you look, the more people will be interested in purchasing from you, right? Because they'll say, oh, other people are booking this person and she seems really popular, she seems really busy, like I want to get in on that too. It's something like the fear of missing out, where they see that you are doing amazing things for other people, and so they want to book you too. And so you can actually start with model calls, and maybe you don't even like put them out into the world as a model call. You just start with your family and friends, and you don't necessarily say like, hey, I shot this family for free, but you can use it to look busier, look like you're doing a lot of really amazing things, and add to your portfolio, and that way other people will be interested in booking with you. The key here is to use this over and over in a way that makes you look really busy, in a way that doesn't necessarily scream, 1, that this was free, and 2, that this is just one session, right? So you're going to basically milk this for all it's worth. So you're going to talk about, oh, I'm prepping for a session tonight. Watch me prep my gear for the session. Oh, I'm location scouting for a session tonight. Oh, here's a behind the scenes of me shooting the session. You can bring a phone tripod to the session with you and show behind the scenes of you shooting the session. You can obviously show photos from the session, and then you can show yourself behind the scenes editing photos before and after. So basically, you are going to take this free session that you're doing, you're not going to make it seem like it's free, and you are going to be using it for lots and lots of content in ways that makes it not necessarily look like I only shot one free session, but makes it look like you're busier than you are, just basically to give people that fear of missing out and give them more interest in booking with you. Okay, and then next, you are going to try to build your local visibility, right? So you're going to post in local mom groups on Facebook. Those are a great place to post when you are just starting out. You can try to network with other local business owners and promote each other, whether that's on Instagram, whether that's in person, and then you can also offer like referral perks. So when you do start booking clients, offering them some kind of perk like, oh, you get extra free downloads, or you get a free print if you refer another client to me, can really help. Or just mentioning like, hey, I would love a review when you send them the gallery to their session, or just mentioning like, hey, I would really love it if you tag me on Facebook when you post these, if you tag me on Instagram when you post these, because that really is helpful to my business. If you enjoyed working with me, can just be a really great way to remind clients like, hey, it would be awesome for my business if you referred me, if you had a good experience with me. And then basically, you want to position yourself online as if you are a pro, even if you are not. So basically making a really polished and professional website. And then, so for me personally, I use Squarespace, and that is what I recommend. I really do not recommend, I just go ahead and get like the custom domain name right away. I think it looks so like beginner if you have like a .pixieset.com address. And like, even if someone is a really good photographer, it's just like so cringe to me when I see the .pixieset.com or .wix.com or whatever it is. And okay, here's the thing. I love Pixieset and I use Pixieset for gallery delivery, but it's one of those things where the websites from Pixie Set are not very professional, so I would not do a Pixie Set website. I would go ahead and do Squarespace, and I can link that for you below as well. So yeah, I would go ahead and get an actual professional website and a custom domain. It is not very expensive, you guys. It is like $30. Do not do the .pixieset.com. And then obviously you're sharing your work on Instagram and sharing your work, not necessarily on like a Facebook page. Like you can have a Facebook page, but I just don't see that as a way to get very good clients. Like especially not very high quality clients. Like that's just not, that's where the more budget people come from. Like people who are just looking at Facebook pages tend to be more budget shoppers when it comes to photography. So I would work more on advertising with your SEO on your website and with your Instagram. And we're going to be using keywords on Instagram instead of hashtags. That is a great way to get people to find you by using keywords in your bio and in the captions of your posts and your reels on Instagram. And then we're going to be using SEO on our website too, but SEO is definitely more of a long game. I would say it takes about 1 to 3 months to start building up your SEO. And just as a side note, like if you are interested in learning SEO, I am actually ranked #1 for all of my keywords on Google, which is crazy because like I am not someone who's very techy, and even I was able to do this. So you guys can do it too. So I am ranked #1 for literally, I mean, you can Google this right now if you want to, but like Greenville photographer, photographers in Greenville, South Carolina, Greer, South Carolina family photographer, like all of my keywords I'm ranked #1 for on Google. So if you're interested in learning about SEO, I actually have an SEO mini course that is only $87, and I will link that for you guys down below as well. But again, that's more of a long game. It's going to take you probably about 1 to 3 months to start seeing traction with SEO. But you do want to start blogging all of your sessions as soon as those clients start rolling in, as a way to build SEO, build momentum, and just show people like, hey, I'm busy. Like, look at all these blogs of sessions that I'm doing. Okay. And then, yeah, so basically these are my tips to getting those first few clients as a family photographer. Don't forget to download that free posing guide that I have for you, because once you do start shooting these sessions, giving the families an amazing experience through posing and showing other people like, hey, look at these amazing photos I created, is going to be the best way to continue that momentum and continue to build up your clientele. And by using those natural, authentic poses is going to be one of the best ways to just wow your clients and wow your future clients so that more people continue to book with you. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any other questions as a new photographer, I would love to create videos for you that are just super helpful and are what you need in this season of your photography journey. So go ahead and leave any questions that you have down below, and I would love to create a video just for you. See you in the next one.